Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danial Mustafa. So today I will present about the introduction. So what is green technology? Green technology is technology which is environmentally friendly and developed. So green technology can avoid the bad effect for our environment and conserve natural resources. So it also can give the idea for the better environment and adaptive healthy ways to work life. Green technology also can give protection to us against environmental pollution. So our first objective is to propose and demonstrate a new design to reduce the project's environmental effect and maximize its energy efficiency. So the second one is to gather and combine fundamental information of construction development in accordance with sustainable planning principles. And the last one is to organize the description of sustainable buildings to empower and encourage the development of IT tools by managers and technologies. Okay, so we will propose a design for the McDonald's restaurant using the green building concept, and the location of our project is at Bandar Nilai Utama, Nilai Square, Daerah Seremban, Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. And from the figure, we can see the location of our project from the Google Map. So this is our proposed building designs for our project that using the eco-friendly concept.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Liyana. So I'm going to present Chapter 2, Literature Review. So for Sustainable Development Concept, I have referred to Doreen Paul 28. He explained that the history of important international conference about environmental that leads to sustainability development. And he also concluded that the largest obstacle to sustainable development is the lack of awareness of the need to address the problem left behind IR, which is industrial revolution, such as unrestricted environmental and human exploitation. So for the second reference is Rachel Imas, 2015. She explained that the long-term stability of economy and environment is the main objective of SD, and it can only be accomplished by including and acknowledging economic, environmental, and social issues throughout the decision-making process. And the third one is Clarin. She explained that central themes and objectives have helped people to behave more and adapt to environmental boundaries. And also, the concept has found effective, but it has not produced appreciable outcomes in a worldwide scale, despite the involvement of several international organizations. Okay, so formulation approach for sustainable development, a research by Nordin Hassan and Hazri, Malaysia is motivated to adopt SD, and based on RMK 6, RMK 7 and RMK 8, they had included environmental and SD targets. And the second reference is by Omid Reza. The experts and policymakers has adopted tools and framework for assess SD. So one of the example is Green Building Index (GBI), and in their research they had highlight universities' efforts for SD, which is for example UKM, they had Solar Energy Research Institute in their campus, and also University of Malaya. They conserve energy by using reflective colors for their building facade to lower heat absorption. So for Green Building Index, it is a Malaysian rating tool to assess and score a green building according to several criteria. And with these rating tools, it gives a chance to developer, architect, engineer, or contractor the chance and freedom to design and construct a green building. And according to research, with these rating tools and the scores and the criteria requirement, it can help by reducing impact on the environment such as air quality, water usage, and so on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahirah binti Muhamad Zolkfali, and today I would like to present about result and discussion. So for the result and discussion, we need to calculate the assessment criteria score summary. So what the criteria? First is the energy efficiency, indoor environmentality, sustainable site planning and management, material and resources, water efficiency, and also innovation for our shop building. So how many score that we get to achieve the best performance? So for the score that we get from the criterion, that is 72 points from full score 79. So for the overall point score, the items such as energy efficiency, indoor environmental quality, sustainable site planning and management, material and resources, water efficiency, also innovation for our shop building, get a maximum point 100. And the result for score that we get is 72 over 100. Next is project cost estimation. So for the project cost estimation, the element or the material that we choose and the quantity that we need is described on the table. So the installation labor price is included in this cost of all the element list in the table with the exception of a few basic jobs. So it because we are able to handle the simple tasks on our own self, which is can help us to save money. So the simple tasks are like painting the building and installing a door flush toilet. Therefore, the overall amount that was spent on this project is RM34,730 ringgit. And then we'll proceed to discussion. Okay, so for the discussion, the GBI rating tools give property developers and building owners the chance to design and build green, sustainable buildings that are healthier inside and better connected to public transportation. So green construction can save the economy by making workers more productive, making health and safety better and lowering the cost of energy maintenance and running the building. So for the score summary, it shows that the overall point score is focused on the energy efficiency, indoor quality, sustainable site planning and management, material and resources, water efficiency, and innovation. Okay, score of 72 out of 100 on the GBI index. It's clear that a new building will be good for both the environment and also more efficient in system to build sustainable environment. So according to the Green Building Index, GBI, a score of 72 is on the silver rank. And then with the result of silver rank, the shop building will have a beneficial influence on the environment in the coming years because it meets several of the long-term impact standards. So for the total cost of our project is 34,730 ringgit. It is considered as a low because many things are done to save energy and make the building green for the environment. So it will help lower the monthly bill and make the better performance for making life better in the future. It uses the available technology and new innovation to make the environment of shop healthier, green and beautiful to customer come. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Syamir bin Kamaruzzaman. My metric number is CN190233. I will going to present chapter 3. So first of all is the GBI Green Building Rate Tool for non-residential. So what is GBI? GBI is the Building Environmental Grading System, which is created by the PAM, which is Malaysian Institute of Architects, and ACM, which is Association of Construction Engineers Malaysia. So what is GBI do? It's evaluating environmental design and building performance based on 6 criteria, which is energy efficiency, indoor environmental quality, management and sustainable planning area, material resources, water efficiency, and lastly is innovation. Okay, so next is the project information. So we are going to build a fast food restaurant with a green building concept. So we are going to build this restaurant in the city of Nilai, which is in the state of the Negeri Sembilan. So the project duration will be 1 year. So this is our project information. So this is our building concept, and the name of our restaurant is Eco-Friendly McDonald. And that's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Okay, for energy efficiency, we use light emitting diode, which is LED, and we also use vacancy sensor control for light, and we use solar panel system, and the last one is movement sensor air conditioning. Okay, for indoor environmental quality, we use high efficiency e-glass window, and for the painting of the building, we use low VOC paint, and we also build a special area which is smoking area in this place. The next criteria is sustainable site planning and management. So in this part, we use we propose a green area or green landscape, such as a green parking and some other green space in the McDonald's building. And for the roof, we use a white roof, and for the wall, we will use a green wall. For the last criteria of this project is water efficiency. So for water efficiency, we provide a rainwater harvesting to collect the water from the rain, and we also use dual flush toilet to save the water usage.
So for the last part is conclusion and recommendation. So green building is a financially held and most importantly environmentally responsible idea. So many building materials are renewable energy sources exist to lessen one's impact upon the environment. By providing government incentive, it is possible to encourage more people to adopt green building and all of the benefits. These buildings are dynamic environment that respond to their occupants' changing needs and lifestyle. So this research proved that this greening will provide a tangible and significant return to investment. I think that's all from us. Thank you.